Okay, so we're going to talk about embedding videos from your business page to put into your party templates. And basically what this will do is Facebook wants you to keep Facebook doesn't like it when someone's in Facebook and they click a link that takes them out of Facebook. So if we use a YouTube link for our products or a recipe or something, in our party and a customer clicks that link, it takes them out of Facebook. But by embedding it, basically what we're doing is we're uploading it to our business page and then grabbing a link from our Facebook business page and putting that in the party. And what that does is when they click on it, at least they're going to our business page, they're still within Facebook, and even from there they can like your page and follow you too. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to go into Consultant's Corner. We're going to grab our marketing imagery and we're going to find a video, okay? I am going to choose, I'm going to see if I can find, I thought I had seen it. I'm going to choose video right here because then it'll be faster, hopefully. Summer products video. It's for our new summer products. And it's downloading down here in the bottom. And once it's downloaded, I'm going to go ahead and open up my business page on Facebook. And I am going to create a post on Facebook. This sometimes doesn't always work for me the very first time. So I'm just adding like a photo or video and I'm grabbing it from wherever it is. There we go. I think this is the right one. Okay. Sometimes it shows me a whole different page, and so I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna hit save. It's gonna save it. I don't know, sometimes it takes me into this whole other page, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully it works. Just writing a little description for it. All right, and then I'm gonna just post it. Nope. Interesting, that's the first time that it's ever done it that way. It usually does a whole other different way. So now I'm just gonna refresh my screen and hopefully with this, sorry it's taking so long, but it's the best way for me to show you how to do it. Okay, I'm gonna figure out how to get to my videos. Every single time I come onto my business page, oh, here they are. Every time I come to my business page, something's different on it. So, okay, I clicked videos. Why is it not working? Okay, here we go. This is the spring product launch. This is the new one. So I mean, I could do it from this one, but this is the one I just downloaded. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. My computer is being very slow too. Okay. So I opened it up and I think you could do it just from where we were anyway, but you want to click on the 3 dots, choose embed. And right here, don't get confused where this says copy code. That is not what you want. You want to go to advanced settings. And this is going to pop up. You want to include the full post, especially if you're using Post My Party or another, well, at least Post My Party. I don't know about other scheduling posting services. I don't know, but you want to include the full post and then double click in the box or triple click, whatever, in the box where it says URL video and just control copy, and then you can paste it in your party or in the URL link on Post My Party or whatever it is that you need that link for. And that's how you embed videos, keeping everybody within Facebook, and that's what they like.